Hey guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video. And before I get into a quick little overview for the project that I'm working on today, I do want to come back with some of the information that I said I would just ahead of the opening of the online store. The website you can go to starting tomorrow is going to be www.bluejanecreations.com, and it won't be running the first week that the store is open, but from May 1st to May 8th, midnight on May 1st to midnight on May 8th, my time, which would be Eastern Standard Time or New York time, that is when the coupon will run for, and the code is going to be BlueJane5. I believe it is all in caps, and what it's going to do is give you 5% off your entire order as a grand opening thank you and as a support thank you to everybody that has helped me get to this journey, because the channel offers so much support, and then the people that have been helping me in the background. So that's the only code that you need, and it is available for your entire cart. There's no limitations on what's available in the store right now. And the reason I'm holding off on running it the very first week that the store is open is because I want to take this time to make sure that everything is up and running, everything is working smoothly and all that stuff. And it will also give me time to get some more collections that I need to finish off uploaded and added to your selections. So that is the why behind a slight delay in running with that coupon code. So like I said, BlueJane5, all caps. It will be, by the time you see this video, I will have the text bubbles running, and I will put it down in the description box as well. Because Dawn, yes, you were correct that it was running from the 1st to the 8th, so your notes were right. And I think that gives all the basic information. Because again, the store goes live as of midnight my time tonight. I will make sure I get it opened up before I go to bed, or I'll stay up until then and then go to bed. And then starting on the 1st to the 8th, then the coupon code will be available. So stay tuned. I'll probably put little blurbs up letting you know the things that get added in. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you again, Dawn, so much for your help, especially with what you've been able to help me with the store, since you've been there, done that a little bit by now. And also, in addition to Dawn being gracious enough to help me get printed copies of the papers for those of you that don't have access to a printer, and I know there are some of you that have that issue, she was gracious enough to help me get them to you, and I'm going to do the same for the US customers here that are in the same boat and don't have access. And as and when I can add other countries and get all the shipping and everything sorted out to be able to do the same for those of you that are farther abroad, I will definitely be doing so. I just want to make sure I'm taking my time and I'm not rushing, because I do not want to overcharge anybody for any reason and all of that. So it's going to take a little minute to work my way through adding in additional international options. So anywho, okay, I think that took care of all the information I wanted to come back with. And for today, I'm just doing a quick little baby card. Since I had the dragon paper collection out on my desk, I thought it would be cute to make a baby card, because one, I am almost out of ready-made cards for the upcoming craft shows in the winter or the fall, so I have a ton of cards I need to get caught up on. So I figured I would kick it off with one of the big sellers and have a baby card made. Sorry, brain is glitching. I still have my to-do list running in the background. So just super quick, and I also did want to show you in a physical sense what I meant about wanting to be sure that all the papers in each collection can be mixed and matched, and you really could have fun and mix and match all the papers, even amongst all the different collections. There's no right or wrong here, I guess, and the only limitation would be on how far you want to let your imagination run. So that is what I am doing here today, and just wanted to keep it real quick. I did keep the speed down because I am trying to make sure that I offer both content depending on, you know, what kind of a project I'm working on, because the more footage I have to edit, those are the ones that typically have to get sped up, and then the shorter projects are the ones that I'm working hard to make sure that I keep the speeds down for those of you whose eyes get buggy on the super fast. So all right, I think that takes care of business. I will do my usual and put the rest of this to music. All the links you need to know about and the information I will be sure to put in the description. So check that out. And if you have not already subscribed to Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures, please do so. I will also link the gals on the design team as well, because they're all part of my friendship now, and I would be sad not to include them and have you guys go show some love and support back to the other gals on the design team as well. So I think that is it. So thank you guys again so much for your support. It is an honor and a privilege to be here. Just love this community to pieces, honestly. That there's just never not a good day with you guys. So in the meantime, you guys take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.
The flowers bloom in springtime, the leaves fly in the fall, but we have one another through the changes of them all. These unspoken wonders, these stories left to tell, there can't be quite as well. If we should ever falter, should we ever hang by a string, remember we have each other through all the seasons, through everything. These unspoken wonders, these stories left to tell, there can't be any other who loves me quite as well. Through it all, summer, winter, spring, the wave of still my everything. I'll never leave if you're not with me.
If you're interested in some more content, here's a couple videos you might want to check out, and I will catch up with you in the next one.